Okay, so here we are on the Communicator NI440DX. These were LCL who distributed them, so the LCL Communicator NI440DX. It doesn't say LCL anywhere on the set, but I can assure you that's who distributed them. So 3 faults on receive. This is why the trade customer has got stuck with it. You know, you can't really be expecting 3 faults: 2 transistors, a duff capacitor and a faulty secondary on a transformer. And although we haven't changed the sensitivity much from it under fault condition, 0.6 microvolts, the fact is the squelch wasn't working and the meter wasn't working. And on these sets they are fed by an AM detector, each one of those circuits. They don't use a conventional clever chip for FM. It's done in a more traditional and old-fashioned way. They're really probably a couple of years out of date when these were new, but they work well, apart from the people who say they're bleed over boxes, but I've never experienced that. I did have a friend who had one as a wedding present because he liked them so much. Okay, let's see if Mr Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger.
Alright, you're going to plug your extension lead in and extension speaker in and let me know when you're ready.
Yep, I've done that, and when you are ready I will have a tone control for you.
Roger.
So I had to borrow a transformer out of one of our own sets, so I do need a scrap set to replace that L16 coil.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Excellent, right, I'm going to do a tone control test.
Roger that, so once again we're heading down the lane towards Woody's lay-by, and the P's or beans or whatever they are on the right are getting bigger.
I think the field further down has been harvested today.
I'm doing some of it, I think it's carrots.
Oh good, I'll be able to have a carrot stew then from leftovers on the roadside.
Let's see. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, we're a bit late to trying to cram this job in.
Roger, was that a beep?
Yes, we decided, was it you discussing it with me that it'd be sensible to leave it on?
No, I think somebody commented, said, you know, when it's difficult to hear, you know, and it is a point when it's difficult to hear, at least you can hear when the over's over with the Roger beep.
Yeah, so I'll probably start switching them on in future, probably for Scratchy Corner. But some of the sets are programmable and it's in a sub-menu, so it's just going to have to be on all the time with those.
Roger. We are square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads anyway.
Roger, got your square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
But now we're off.
Roger, Dodger. What's not? I like to hear the relay in this set go clunk when I press transmit.
Yeah, little mines and all that.
Good, Roger. On the side. On the side, go ahead. So if you give me a bit of a rig check, drag this old Midland out of the loft. It's about 1980, can you hear me? Roger, we are in a recorded on the air test. We're both two-way radio engineers and you're welcome to stay with us. This is for the YouTube channel we run over. Ah, sounds like fun. Where are you guys at? So I'm located near Ancaster and my colleague Mr Chippie is heading towards Sleaford. Over. Alright, I can, you're about £2. That's the correct terminology after all these years. And I am at the south end of Sleaford. Mr Chippie, over to you.
Yeah, Roger, just coming into Wilsford village now, past the top of the hill, etc.
Roger, just stand by the caller.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round to Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, well, I'm on the LCL Communicator NI440DX. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round to Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, well, I'm on a LCL Communicator NI440DX.
And it's a radio from 1981. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received. Might want to bring the breaker back in.
Go ahead, caller. Breaker on the side, come back in. Yeah, I've just lost Mr Wilson there for a minute. I suppose he's down fairly low. This is what the test's all about. This particular route has been carefully planned. It is the worst possible range from my location. Over. Yeah, well, it's working. Yeah, it's just part of what we do with the videos, and he's daft going 35 miles the other direction, so we do the worst possible route, and it works for us, so there you go. So this is what we do every single day on this channel. Oh, there is still life on the old CB then. We service about 300 sets a year, so they're going somewhere.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie. We're past Wilsford level crossing now.
What you got? You just passed Wilsford at level crossing. A handle caller. I think it's 35 years since anybody's asked me that. Back in the day it was Black Diamond. Roger, not Double Diamond works wonders to drink them today. That's a 1980s drink as well, isn't it?
Tango 21 past Kelby turn. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, still with me?
Well, I can still hear you.
I don't know where it's gone. You can usually hear me at this point. Just coming towards Grayleys. Tango 21, are you still there?
Tango 21, I did just have to adjust the squash. I saw the needle move, but it didn't come through, so yeah, I've got you.
Roger that. Right, we're just about coming up to the Grayleys turn. Over.
What you got? You coming towards the Grayleys turn?
Roger.
Stay with us, Black Diamond, while we get to the end of this test. We're in the last 2 minutes. It ends at Rawsby level crossing, and then we'll have a quick chat over. Video. Watch yourself later. Oh heck, can't wait.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So once again, I'm on the LCL Communicator NI440DX, doing 3.6 watts and showing 1.3 amps in doing so. We're going to pop it onto low power, 400 milliwatts, when I find the switch, which is hidden on the back on this set. And we're going on now on 400 milliwatts, and the range is going to 70 milliamps. And back to full power, which is 3.6 watts over.
Yep, no problem on full power. I had to turn the auto squelch off to hear you on low power. I did hear you, not great, but you were there, over.
That's excellent. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Well, she's got you back on the move.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Nice for me at this point, please, over.
Yeah, same as yesterday, 146.7 unleaded and 145.9 on diesel. Over.
Yes, that came through very readable, no problem at all. That's been a very good test. So, 10-10, Mr Chippie.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Well, over. Hospital level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Wonder if you've got a petrol price for me at this point, please, over.
Yeah, same as yesterday, 146.7 unleaded and 145.9 on diesel. Over.
Yes, that came through very readable, no problem at all. That's been a very good test. So 10-10, Mr Chippie.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, over to you, Black Diamond.
Tango 21, testing the LCL Communicator NI440DX into our Midland 76900 base station using a standard replacement microphone. So we're currently on 3.6 watts. I'll pop it down to low power, which is 0.4. Then we've gone low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to 3.6. That's there as a hum test. So I think we've got a newer Midland, something like a 98 or something like that. But I know we've got a realistic 1001 handheld in for service. So thanks for watching.